These are the top 20 Cold Wallet Black Friday 2025 deals. Links are in the description. Some of those links will get you better deals than if you just visit the website yourself, so take advantage of them. Now, ready, set, go. Starting off with the channel favorite and one of my personal favorites, Tangem. You can get a 3-card set for only $48. The entire website is 30% off, plus you get free Bitcoin with every purchase. So with this 3 set, you're getting $10 in free Bitcoin. Next up, we have a 2-card set for only $38. Again, you get $10 worth of Bitcoin with this one as well. Now, the family pack, this is probably the best value on the website. You're getting 6 cards, which is enough to create 3 separate cold wallets. You also get $20 worth of Bitcoin when you buy that 6-card set, and you can choose different designs as well. They just came out with a new design, which is my favorite design by far. It's the Snowy Sakura, and that is a great deal. Plus you get free shipping with that. Then we have the Tangem Ring, one of the coolest cold wallets on the market. Also one of the most discreet cold wallets if you travel for work or for pleasure, or if you just live an active lifestyle. Tangem Ring, only $105, and it comes with 2 cards as well. And then we have a limited edition, limited time for obvious reasons, holiday gift box. This comes with a 3-pack of Tangem Stealth cards, a Napa leather wallet holder, so you can hold 4 cards in that holder, a Tangem branded thermos, and a Tangem branded tote bag. Plus you get $10 of free Bitcoin with that as well. Moving on to Ledger, another well-known brand in the cold wallet space. Starting off with their entry-level wallet, the Ledger Nano S Plus. This is their only wallet that doesn't work with mobile devices because it doesn't have Bluetooth and it doesn't have a battery, so it has to be plugged in to use it. But it's only $59 and you get $10 worth of free Bitcoin with this one. Then we have the Ledger Nano X. This is a step above the S Plus, and this was the first hardware wallet I ever bought. It is only $74 for Black Friday. That's 50% off its usual price, and this applies to all the current Ledger Nano X colors. And this is compatible with both desktop and mobile devices because it does have a rechargeable battery as well as Bluetooth. Then we have Ledger's latest wallet, the Ledger Nano Gen 5. This is their entry-level touchscreen wallet. So there's actually no Black Friday deal on this because it's so new, but if you use that link in the description, you will get $10 worth of free Bitcoin with this one. And then a step above the Gen 5 is the Ledger Flex. This is probably my personal favorite Ledger wallet. However, I will say all the Ledger touchscreen wallets work exactly the same, and all Ledger wallets provide the same security. So if you're just looking to save money, then I would go with something like the Gen 5. However, the Ledger Flex, $249, but it comes with $70 worth of free Bitcoin, and Bitcoin is down right now. So if the price were to go back up, your $70 could turn into even more money. Now note that this only applies to the Black Friday color, which is the original silver or gray color. Then we have the Ledger Stacks. This is Ledger's most premium wallet option with the largest screen. It's a 3.7-inch e-ink touchscreen. Still the original price of $399, but with this one you get $80 worth of free Bitcoin. The Ledger Stacks also has wireless charging, whereas the Ledger Flex and Gen 5 do not. Now moving on to Trezor. They are the OG in the space. They literally invented hardware wallets and the seed phrase. Starting off with the Trezor Safe 3, this is their current entry-level wallet. 100% open source, has 2 buttons to navigate the entire device. Currently only $47, which is 40% off the original price. Then we have the Trezor Safe 5. This is their entry-level touchscreen wallet, usually $169, on sale for $101 right now. And this is a Gorilla Glass touchscreen with haptic feedback. It's a 1.54-inch touchscreen, so it's not the biggest, but it does get the job done. By the way, the Trezor Safe 3 and Safe 5 are mainly desktop wallets because they don't work with iOS devices. They also don't have a battery in them, so they do have to be plugged in to use them. But that is why they created the brand new Trezor Safe 7. This is Trezor's, in my opinion, best hardware wallet that they've ever released. I just got my hands on this. Review is on the channel if you want to check it out. And this is their first ever wireless wallet. So it comes with a LiFePO 4 battery, which is a lot better than the standard lithium ion battery. It also has Bluetooth, so you can actually set it up, install firmware updates, and manage all of your crypto on iOS and Android phones, as well as your desktop device using the included USB-C cable. There currently isn't a deal on the Trezor Safe 7 since it is so new, but you do get a free wireless charger because this also has wireless charging. And all three colors are currently available. There's the charcoal black, obsidian green, and the Bitcoin orange. Just a note on the Bitcoin orange, it is the Bitcoin only firmware, so you can only manage Bitcoin with that wallet. Another note on the obsidian green, it looks like it's not shipping until December 5th, but it is a really cool color. Then, moving away from hardware wallets for a second, we have the Trezor Keep Metal. This is a 20-word option. They also have a 24-word option, but this is a metal cylinder to store your seed phrase so that you're not keeping it on a piece of paper. If you're serious about keeping your crypto safe, you have to keep your seed phrase safe, and you don't want to store it on paper. You want to store it in something that will last a lifetime, such as this Keep Key metal holder. And it's 30% off right now, usually $99, and it's only $69 for Black Friday. Now we're moving back to the hardware wallets. The Bitbox Zero 2. Only $113, down from $143. They do have the multi-coin edition of this wallet as well as the Bitcoin only if you're a Bitcoin maxi. And this does work on both desktop and mobile devices. Then we have the brand new Bitbox O2 Nova. This is a step up from the old Bitbox O2. It's $151 down from $168. It does have a slightly larger screen than the old Novas. Other than that, it's pretty similar, and it works with both desktop and mobile devices. And again, they have a multi-coin and Bitcoin only edition. They also have a Black Friday bundle, which gets you 1 steel wallet, 5 tamper evident bags, and 3 backup cards. And this is 21% off. So you're getting it for only $77, down from $97. Next up, we have Rider One. This is like Tangent, but with the screen. It is an NFC mobile wallet, so it only works with your iOS and Android mobile devices. It's also completely waterproof, dust resistant. It comes with a recovery tag that you can use to back up your seed phrase on, in addition to writing it down. It's usually $249. It's on sale for only $174. Plus, you get a free wireless charger since it is a completely enclosed wallet, so wireless charging is the only way to charge it. Moving on to the Arrow wallet. This is a brand new wallet that just or recently hit the market. It's probably my favorite air-gapped wallet right now. It's completely waterproof. It allows you to manage and store 10 different seed phrases in a single wallet, so it's basically 10 wallets in one. And currently it's only $162, down from $226. Now, when you go to the website using the link in the description, you will see that it's $180. But once you add it to your shopping cart and then go to the checkout page, it will drop an additional few bucks down to $162. So don't freak out if you see it for $180. But this is, again, a 100% air-gapped wallet. You scan QR codes to do transactions. It also supports wireless charging. Really solid wallet. Then moving into another air-gapped wallet. This one is more popular because they've been around for a while. The Keystone 3 Pro, 100% open source. It has 3 secure element chips. It allows you to manage and store up to 3 seed phrases. It also has a biometric fingerprint scanner on the back. And currently, Keystone has 20% off their entire website, making this wallet only $119, down from $149. Then moving on to the Keystone tablet. This is another metal seed phrase storage plate. I use the Keystone tablet, not this one exactly, but the one I'm going to show you next. This one just has a little less screws than the Keystone Tablet Plus that I'm about to show you, but for only $39, it's a really solid deal. Then moving on to the Keystone Tablet Plus, this one's just going to be a bit more durable, like if you dropped it or something aggressive happened to it. This one is only $55, down from $69, and this is what I have a few of. This supports 12 and 24-word seed phrases, or 2 12-word seed phrases, whatever you have. So super solid deal right there. And it comes with everything you need, the screwdriver, the metal letters to put your seed phrase on the plate, and all the screws you need. Then moving on to another Bitcoin only hardware wallet brand, the Blockstream Jade Plus. This is Blockstream's newest wallet. Down from $169, it's only $133 for Black Friday. This can also be used as a 100% air-gapped wallet. It also has a USB-C connection. It also has Bluetooth, so you get to choose how you use it. And that is a step above the smaller, cheaper, more affordable Blockstream Jade hardware wallet, which again is also an air-gapped wallet. Both Bitcoin-only wallets. but for this one it's only $62. It's hard to pass up on that deal. I will say there are still a couple of brands who have not released their Black Friday sales yet, so keep an eye out in the description. I'll be updating these links as anything changes so that you have the most up-to-date products and prices. Check it out. Thanks for watching. God bless.